Connecting with midterm rental insurance adjusters is an art form. However, you don't have to be an artist. You just need to know how to solve a problem and create a connection out of an original connection point. So let's zoom out for a second and think about how this industry works. When it comes to midterm rental insurance requests that come, you can think of it this way. There is a home, and then there is what we call a homeowner, right? That's connected to this home, right? That homeowner holds a insurance policy, and the insurance company right here, big insurance company, this is a building. We'll make it. So now State Farm has insurance adjusters, right? So this is an insurance adjuster that works for the company. And this insurance adjuster is going to be the gatekeeper, the most important person. Now, if you remember, there's also relocation specialists. If you're currently getting value from watching this video, you'll want to make sure you take a second and click below to grab the midterm rental insurance blueprint to help accelerate your process in being able to land these midterm rental insurance contracts with respect to your marketplace. Make sure you click the button below and grab it and continue on with the gems in this video. Now, the relocation specialist works for the temporary relocation company. Call these guys THD, Temporary Housing Directory. There's a company called THD. They are going to be the ones that this relocation specialist works for this company. State Farm, when a claim is filed, so this is a home, if you're to file a claim would be filed with State Farm. So once that claim is filed, the adjuster would have a calculated budget based on what the policy of that home insurance policyholder is. So remember, this is the homeowner. And how it works is the adjuster is going to be the person that either accepts or denies a contract. When the relocation specialist reaches out for an alternative home in that neighborhood, let's say your price is $8K a month, the insurance adjuster is going to look at the policy and see if the ALE, the additional living expense for that damage, call it a 2-month relocation needed on that claim. The adjuster is going to look at what the relocation specialist found and approve yes or deny no. So when they yes, that's the green light. Now what happens is the relocation specialist reaches out to the investor that owns the home, right? This is who you are. You're watching this probably because you want to get ahead of more of these deals, right? You want to be able to say, how do I get a relocation specialist to reach out to me on behalf of the insurance company, right? And inquiries through me, through Airbnb, through Zillow, through Corporate Housing by Owner, through Furnish Finder, right? We'll call it FF to keep it short. And you're wondering how you can get this person's contact info. Well, it's easy because the displaced homeowner, once they get approved, they move into your home. And because originally they had to speak to the insurance adjuster, one of the things we like to do when we draft the contract is we like to ask for 3 contacts, 3 backup contacts. So one could be your contact, obviously. So the homeowner's contact information. So this is what we put on the lease. We'll put the homeowner's contact information as the number 1. Number 2, we'll ask for a secondary contact, which is the relocation specialist. And number 3, we'll ask for the insurance adjuster's information, right? Just like that. Makes sense. In case we cannot reach you, can we reach 1, 2, or 3? And the reason that makes sense is because they're the party paying anyways, and the homeowner knows this. Therefore, it's actually in your best interest to have all of their contact information. But really what I'm trying to do with that is build a database, right? I'm trying to build my book of business because, maybe I don't have to wait for, and that is the way I've done it. So remember, you don't have to be an artist, but there is an art form to this, and power to you if you're able to basically put together this Picasso that is not so complex, but I wanted to at least show you the overall vision of what the Picasso will look like in your marketplace. If you got value from this, make sure you tune in to the next video called Your Midterm Rental Guide to Working Directly with Insured Policy Holders. I have another video on that, and make sure you grab the midterm rental insurance blueprint completely free right below